20 years ago, the spacecraft Bellerophon landed here.
Directs the rocket engines. They, in turn, push the launch vehicle into its proper orbit.
Reorganizing and representing this information on a few spacecraft that landed on Mars in the mid-1970s.
Of this faster-than-light spaceship of the future, sharing their curiosity to know.
Once the attitude is known, the 8-ball can be aligned. This device, similar to those...
Attention all space...
Similar to this, they will take pictures of cloud cover and select...
Al thinks he'll probably knock off the fly around.
July 28, 1973.
The Science Patrol, ever on the
route, and tells the pilot what adjustments are needed.
It is the planet most similar to ours in all the universe.
Their lenses aimed at Earth through the wardroom window.
Package back through the Earth's atmosphere.
The visible wavelength range, and you can actually see these things, these pictures on the ground.
That's it. That's the one. Put it in.
To his planned flight path. Imagery of the South Pole from NASA's Nimbus 7 satellite provides scientists with a roadmap of daily...
Object heading east over the Gomorrah forest.
Stay on it. Don't...
Rendezvous occurred just off the U.S. Pacific coast. Almost 8...
For who knows what mysterious danger may suddenly strike.
IATA report.
Enemy! Attack it at once!
Trajectory confirmers enabled.
The updated information is sent back to the command module.
During heat of re-entry, after missions far...
Destruction.
Pump him down to semi-vacuum.
To travel deep down into the heart of the forbidden planet.
Alpha 37. Angle Alpha 12. Velocity 600 miles per second.
Signals in direction.
Ahead of humankind. When in the course of eons they had abolished...
Team that all systems are go. The countdown is smooth, almost routine.
We might still hear from IATA. We'll turn it on again if we do.
Blending science and fiction for its eerie terror and for its story of an invasion.
The lectures, the briefings, the simulations. Almost 2 years of intensive training is behind them.
Capturing humans at will for their own sinister purposes. Invaders from Mars.
Bring space technology.
No!
Something I can see turning out of that black hole through luminous discs. The eyes, it might be a...
Do is continue to search, at least till it gets too dark.
Put down your arms.
When the three astronauts who go to the moon, they have some of the most sophisticated devices made.
Captain, the sending station is in here.
9 years, they have discovered a trend. Each spring over Antarctica, a whole...
I won't try to talk you into changing.
Attention. Astronaut Conrad spends much of his time in training.
Keep track of the orbiting command module with a sighting device on the window.
Medical experiments got underway. High priority is placed on a machine that will allow an astronaut to move freely in space. Such a machine...
We've lost contact. Some of my memory banks are blocked. The inhabitants here do not have the intelligence to be utilized.
However, the uncertainty of additional failures...
Another one. They look like tentacles to me.
To compensate for the gravitational and atmospheric differences between the Earth and the Moon, the LLRV was equipped with a gimbaled jet engine.
3, 2. We have ignition sequence start. All ignitions are running. All engines running. We have a liftoff. Second man crew has cleared the tower.
Tower cleared.
We got a roll program.
Signaled on our radars, and the other signal from space is also C-scan. It could very well be a trap. We can't risk it. All Earth bases are on alert.
Develop the abilities to carry out these explorations and advancements that are sure to come. It may not be 5 years from now, or 10, or 15. Big journey, and it will never end.